Okay, let us calculate the mole of Na2H2O3 that is used in this reaction first. So I have been molarity is given and the volume is also given, so we can calculate mole. So volume I have, so this is the volume. So volume is 46.3 ml. So volume is 46.3 ml. And what is the molarity? Molarity is also given, and this molarity is 0.124. So molarity is 0.124. So what is the mole of Na2H2O3? So mole of Na2H2O3. So this is equals to 46.3 multiplied by 0.124. Now this will come in millimole because the volume is in milliliter. Now calculate the mole of I2. So if you remember the reaction of titration, Na2H2O3, and this reacts with I2, and then this forms 2NaI plus Na2H4O6. This reaction you have to remember. Are you getting or not? So many times in the titration chapter we said. And on this side you have to multiply it by 2 also. You see, mole of Na2H2O3 is 2 times mole of iodine. So now I can say mole of I2. So this is equals to 46.3 multiplied by 0.124, and this is of course is in millimole. So this value is in millimole. Now we can calculate mole of electrons. So what is the reaction taking place? So liberation of iodine, that is coming from I minus gives I2. If I multiply this side by 2, add 2 electrons, so mole of electron is 2 times mole of I2. So now I can write mole of electron, this is used, is equals to 2 times mole of I2. So that is 46.3. This time let me check here. Yeah, the Na2H2O3 is half of the mole of, so mole of I2 is half of, so I have to multiply by half also. Now this time I have to multiply by 2, so this is 2 times half of, so let us say this value is 2 times half of the 4.46.3 into 0.124. Now this is in millimole because the initial volume is taken in milliliter. Now this is the mole of electron for I minus. At the same time, what you have this side, you have Ag plus, no, not Ag plus, some metal is used, metal X at cathode. So this is a cathode reduction, deposited metal deposited is this. So we have to find what is the molecular weight of the metal. So let us say X plus and N plus, it takes an electron and it forms X. So the mole of electron used in this case is same. So now if this is the mole of electron, so what is the mole of metal deposited? So mole of metal deposited, so now I can write mole of metal deposited, mole of metal deposited. So this is n mole of electron deposits 1 mole, so 1 by n times mole of electron, and mole of electron is this value. So let us write 46.322 I have cancelled, so I will have 0.124, and this is in millimole. Are you getting? Now we can calculate, if I know the mole of metal, I can calculate weight of the metal. So weight of the metal is weight of metal deposited. So weight of metal is, this is equals to, basically I have to multiply. So let me rub this one. Yeah. Now weight of metal, this is a simply molecular weight. If I multiply by molecular weight and this value 46.3.124, so this is 0.124, and I have to multiply by 10 to the power minus 3, and then value will give in gram. So if I multiply by 10 to the power minus 3, this value is in gram. Now the question gives me this value. What is this value? This value is 0.617 gram. So this is equals to 0.617. So molecular weight divided by n into 46.3 into 0.124 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equals to 0.617. So this is 0.617. So what is the molecular weight by N? That is also called equivalent weight. So now I can write equivalent weight is equals to 0.617, and this 10 to the power minus 3 will go in denominator, so on the top it will have positive sign, this divided by 46.3 and into 0.124. So let us do this calculation. So we have 0.617, so 0.617 multiplied by 1000 and divided by 46.3 into 0.124. Now let us check this value. So this value comes out to be this value, not giving me the answer. I think somehow I have done mistake. Let me do again. So 0.617 into 1000, so this is 617, and this divided by 46.3. So what is this value? 13.326. So this is, let us paste here and then divide by 0.124. So then divided by 0.124. This value is 107.46. So this is 107.46. So this value is 107.46. It looks like metal is easy. So this is the equivalent weight of metal. This is in gram per equivalent, because equivalent weight is expressed in gram per equivalent. Same answer you will have. So 107.3, around same.